Hi, my name is Alexandra with Harvest Joy, and today I'm going to show you how to wash and cut a Prima peach. Once you are ready to eat your peaches, it's important that you do not wash your peaches until you're ready to eat them, because excess water will actually break down the peach fuzz, which is acting as a protective layer for the sensitive peach skin. And that protects it from harmful pathogens as well as insects. All right, so let's go ahead and wash some of these peaches. And you really don't need any soap. All you need is water. And I'm just rubbing firmly with my thumb. And now I'm gonna dry it with a paper towel. Now that I'm done washing my peach, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. So what we'll do here is we'll take a sharp knife and start at the stem and cut going along the pit here. Oh, and it's looking so juicy. And there. Once we've completed the circle, that's when I'm going to twist the peach just like that into two halves. And I'm gonna take a spoon. You can use a knife, but I like using a spoon, and I'm going to take out the pit just like this. Now we'll go ahead and cut this into smaller slices. We'll use the same method where I cut starting at the stem and just cutting down right into the cutting board, just like that. The more ripe that a peach is, the easier that it is to remove the pit, just like you saw here. But sometimes it will cling to the peach, which is funny because there are two varieties of peaches, the freestone peach and then the clingstone peach. So the clingstone will cling to the peach a little bit more, and then the freestone will just come right out. So this peach was easy, but I did have to use a spoon to remove the pit. You can use your hands though, it's up to you, but just a fun little fact about peaches for you. I mean, this one is just so good. And that is how you wash and cut a Prima peach.